Hey friends, take a look at this. There's a YouTube channel called Cat Eye Network that's gaining significant attention. Currently, it boasts around 1.9 million subscribers and has uploaded approximately 166 videos. What's remarkable is that these videos have collectively garnered over 378 million views, with some individual shorts reaching tens of millions of views. The content primarily features various cats, each with unique animations and behaviors, making the videos both entertaining and engaging. Despite the simplicity of the concept, the channel's popularity indicates a high demand for such content. If you're interested in creating similar content, this niche appears to be quite promising. By observing and learning from channels like Cat Eye Network, you can develop your own unique style and potentially achieve similar success. Also, it's clear that this channel is now generating a good amount of extra monthly income. You can clearly see that within the past 28 days, this channel has gained 91 million views. Can you imagine? It has also gained around 270,000 new subscribers during that time. You can check it out for yourself. So if you watch today's video, you will know how to make viral animation videos like this. There are only a few steps to make these videos. I will talk about all these steps in this video. So stay tuned to the video. So without further ado, let's go and see how to make videos like this. The first step is generating the images. First, go to the Cat AI Network YouTube channel and take a screenshot like this. Then, go to ChatGPT just like I'm doing now, and paste the screenshot you took earlier into the chat. After that, ask ChatGPT give me a high-quality detail 10 image prompt for generate these types of videos. I want to generate 100% same these types of images. ChatGPT will then give you around 10 beautiful image prompts like this. You can use those prompts to generate your images. Today, I'm using a free website called Pixelmon to generate our images. You can generate images for free using this site. First, I click the Create button. Then I paste the first prompt that was generated earlier. Next, on the right side, I select the image size and then click the blue button to generate the image. In just a few seconds, you'll get a beautiful image like this. So this is how I copy each prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the site to generate all the images. You can also do the same, copy each prompt and paste it here to generate your images one by one. The second step is animating the images we generated. For this, I use a free website called Halo AI. After signing in, you'll see a screen like this. Then click on Video. And after that, click the plus icon to import one of the images you generated. Next, in the text box, type Animate. Then select the model as shown below, and click Generate. After a few minutes, you'll get a beautiful animated video like this. In this way, you can import each image into the website, type Animate, and generate all the images as a video. This site gives you a 100 free daily credit, which you can use to generate videos. The third step, or the final step, is editing the video clips. For this, I use a free website that everyone knows, CapCut. First, import all the video clips you generated into CapCut. Then, at the top, you'll see an option called Transitions. From there, you can add your preferred transitions. You can also add your favorite background music and make any other edits you like. Once you're done, export the final video. Here is the beautiful video we created.